How are we all? Today we're off to Geelong to visit a member who has a few scorpions in his collection. I reached out to him for some advice on suspension, for air suspension, and of course he has a converted scorpion that he's done. So Sam and his father have come along in the red scorpion, and I'm with my son who's driving the scorpion today, making memories. It turned out to be a beautiful sunny day, so we ended up catching the ferry from Queenscliff to Mornington Peninsula, stopping over to Rye and having a bit of fish and chips, and made our way home from there. Enjoy the video, and hope you enjoy. Who's the first out to go?